Python pandas. Fill a data frame row by row. The simple task of adding a row to a pandas.dataframe object seems to be hard to accomplish. There are 3 Stack Overflow questions relating to this, none of which give a working answer. Here's what I'm trying to do. I have a data frame of which I already know the shape as well as the names of the rows and columns. Now, I have a function to compute the values of the rows iteratively. How can I fill in one of the rows with either a dictionary or a pandas.series? Here are various attempts that have failed. Apparently, it tried to add a column instead of a row. Very uninformative error message. Apparently that is only for setting individual values in the data frame. Well, I don't want to ignore the index, otherwise here is the result. It did align the column names with the values, but lost the row labels. That also failed miserably. So how do you do it?
dfy will set a column. Since you want to set a row, use .block. Note that .9 is equivalent here. Yours failed because you tried to assign a dictionary to each element of the row. Why? Probably not what you want. Converting to a series tells pandas that you want to align the input. For example, you then don't have to specify all of the elements.
Update, because append has been deprecated.
This is a simpler version.
If your input rows are lists rather than dictionaries, then the following is a simple solution.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.